All right, so we want to solve this equation right here. Sine of 2x minus cosine of x equals 0 in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So we have our unit circle here. We're trying to figure out, for what values of x would make this equation true, in this circle. So we're going to use a trig identity to start out. So we know that the sine of 2x is the same as 2 sine of x, cosine of x. And then we'll bring down that other cosine of x. And then we can factor out a cosine of x. So cosine of x times, we'll have 2 sine of x minus 1. So, we have two things being multiplied by each other here, cosine of x and 2 sine of x minus 1 in a quantity. So if either one of those is equal to 0, we will have solutions to the equation. So why don't we say that either the cosine of x is 0 or 2 sine of x minus 1 equals 0. And with some quick math, we can turn that into sine of x equals 1/2. So we highlight that right there. And, so let's take a look up at our unit circle and see where the cosine of x is equal to 0. So we know we want to look for where the x value is 0 on this unit circle. So since it's all written out there for us, all these values, we can actually just circle the two locations where the x value is 0. So at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So we'll head down here. So x equals pi over 2. So go to my equations here. Grab pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. And then we can get a couple more solutions. So we want to figure out where the sine of x equals 1/2. So if you're a little more familiar with degrees than radians, you would be looking for a 30-degree angle right here. But pi over 6 is going to work. So we're looking for where the y value is 1/2. And we can see that shows up right here. So we have a pi over 6 and pi over 6 from pi. So in other words, 5 pi over 6 as our remaining two solutions. Let's actually copy and paste. And that's it.